Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for second standard students. Yes children, as you people know, in the previous part we have completed the grammar topic, that is the Diwali festival. Yes children, how do we celebrate Diwali? In which month do we celebrate Diwali? What are things we do in Diwali? How we decorate our house? What we buy new clothes? Yes or no? So what mama prepares? She prepares sweets. The schools, they remain holiday, and you people enjoy the Diwali by lighting your house, lighting diyas, and then boys by burning the crackers. Yes. This all thing we learned in the previous topic, that is the Diwali festival. Yes. Today here I am with a new topic, that is opposites. Opposites means what? What is opposite? The same pair of words means the opposite of each other. It is similar, the same pair means, but it is totally opposite of each other. Now think, this is a stick is very big. Yes, this stick is very big. Yes or no? And this duster is very small. So this is big, this is small. Yes, this is tall, this is short. You see. Now, when mama prepares the food, yes, the food is very hot. Yes or no? The food is very hot. When mama just she prepares and she starts serving for you people, then what you feel? Mummy is too busy. When you take a bath, by which water do you take bath, children? Hot water. One day, if mama tells her today no hot water is there, you will take a bath with cold water. Illappa bath tandiyada mummy tampada. So this is the opposite of hot and cold. Opposite of hot and cold. Some people are dark in color. Some people are fair. Yes or no? We say dark, fair, black, white. Yes, white. On white color, you add any different color, it can be seen. But on black, if you add any color, can it be seen, children? No. So the opposite of white is black. So the words, the same pair of words means the opposite of each other. The same pair of words, but they are totally opposite of each other. Like now, a boy is running very fast and a girl is walking very slowly. Then you ask, who is very fast? Then you say the boy is running very fast. Who is very slow? Then you say the girl is walking very slowly like a tortoise. Slowly like a tortoise. Yes or no? So there is a difference. How the horse runs, children? The horse runs very fast. And how the tortoise will walk? The tortoise will walk slowly. Can the tortoise run fast? No. The tortoise can't run fast. The horse? Yes, it can run very fast. Yes or no? So fast and slow. The same pair of words. It is fast and slow. Amit is a tall boy in our class. Nikhil is a short boy in our class. Nikhil is a short boy. Amit is a tall boy. Yatra, Gidda, we see. Kulla, we see. Yes or no? Yes. That is the difference between the opposite words. So here, today we are going to learn the opposite words. So now, you all can open page number 59 in your textbook. Page number 59 in your textbook. And the topic is opposites. 27th topic. The topic is 27th and it is opposites. Yes, the name of the topic is opposite. And here the small definition of this is some pair of words mean the opposite of words mean the opposite of each other. Opposite of each other. So here we find very different types of opposites. Like when you are driving on the road, on the highway, then the road is very wide. Yes or no? And when you are driving in the village or in the town, then the roads are very small. Then you say the road is very narrow, you say. Little place will be there, even the two-wheeler can't pass properly. So when such small place is there, we call it as a narrow. What we call? Narrow. And when the road is very big, 4 vehicle can pass aram se, then we say the road is very wide, very big. Big means what? Wide. The road is very wide, we say. Yes or no? Now the mouse, it is so small animal. The sparrow is the bird. It is very small bird in size. What is the size of the bird? Small size. It is very too tiny bird. Yes or no? And ostrich is a big bird. It is size of the bird is very big. Yes or no? So it is a big bird. Elephant has a huge body, big body. Yes or no? And the mouse is the small animal. Yes or no? So like this way, these are the opposites. They do not match. They do not match to others. For that only we call it as opposite words. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸೇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೊಂದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Opposite words ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. We call it as a opposite words. So today let us start the opposite words exercise. So here you can see into the textbook, they have given some pictures. Here they have given some pictures and here they have given some words. And here in the box also they have given some words, and some words we have to find out the opposite for this given word in this box. ಇಲ್ಲಿ words ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ pictures ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ words ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ವರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಇದರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು. We have to find the opposite for this word from this box with the help of this pictures. Yes, so here the first one, I'll write first one only. Strike out the wrong letters, out the wrong letters. Wrong letters to get the opposite of, to get the opposite of the words given, the words given below. So here in the first one they have given their what? Dry. Second one is what there? Hot. Third one is what there? Rich. Yes. So here children, now what we have to do? We have to draw one box here. In one line you can draw one box very neatly with the help of the scale, and then in that you have to make 3 boxes. Yes, and here now what you have to do, you have to cross lines, slight line. And here you have to write the letters now, children. What letters? That is W, and then X, E, L, T. So here. Now, next one. Again, next box. Here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next is box. Yes. Like this. And then write the spellings in that given in the textbook. That is C, P, E, O. And then T, L, A, D. T, L, A, D. Then the next box here. Yes. Here also again 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the words given are here what? P, B, O, 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 L. P, B, O, O, O. The next L, Y, R. Yes. Now here, first we'll complete these 3 children, then you will get an idea what to be done. Yes. So here, now opposite of dry. Dry means what? Vanaru. Vanigirodu. Vanaru. Yes. The opposite of dry is what here? Wet. Wet. The opposite of dry is what here? Wet. So the spelling for wet is what? W-E-T. Wet. Yes or no? So the other words we have to cancel. W-E-T. Wet. So this is not there, and this is D-R-Y. Dry. W-E-T. Wet. So you can write here W-E-T. Wet. To understand, to make you easy. Next, H-O-T. Hot. Hot means what? Busy. The opposite of hot is what, children? Cold. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. So what is the spelling of cold? C-O-L-D. So the other words cancel this. C-O-L-D. So you can write here C-O-L-D. Cold. The opposite of dry, wet, hot, cold. Next. R-I-C-H. Rich. Rich means what? Who is having more money, big house, many cars, more gold, bank balance is more. Then we call the person is very rich. Poor. Poor means what? The person is not having anything. Who is not having big house, who is not having more money, who is not having good clothes to wear, who is not having more gold, no bank balance. Then that person is called poor. Yes? So here P-O-O-R. So cancel this P and this P-O-O, this R. So P-O-O-R. Poor. Yes? Yes. Now coming to the next one here, children. Yes. Third one. False. F-A-L-E-S. Then the answer will be here what now? Draw the box. Big box. You can draw 4 columns in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in center you have to draw the line. And the words to be written in between are S-T-R-Q. S-T-R-Q. R Q, and then next is U O A E, U O A E. So false. When you write the answers, tick right or wrong in your textbooks. Yes or no? When you are writing notes in the exams, the sentence which is correct, what you say? True. And the sentence which is wrong, what you say? False. So the spelling of true is what, children? What is the spelling of true? T-R-U-E. So cancel yes, cancel Q, cancel O, and cancel R. The correct spelling is T-R-U-E. True. The next, fifth one. Next, yes. The next one they have given here, S. Draw the small box, children. Where you can draw only two boxes. Then, and you have to mention the words, that is N-M-E-O. N-M-E-O. The opposite of when the teacher asks you some question or your parents ask you something. If you know that, then you say yes. Then if you don't know, you say no. Yes or no? You say no. So no ka spelling is what? N-O, no. So these other words cancel and the correct spelling is N-O, no. Sixth one. L-I-G-H-T, light. L-I-G-H-T, light. So here we have to draw 4 boxes. Yes, how many boxes, children? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is here D-O-T-K, D-K-O-A, D-K-O-A, and the next is T-R-K-L, T-R-K-L. The opposite of light. See now there is too much of light. Belakadala? Yes, there is a light. When at night, when the sun is not there, then what will be outside, children? It will be totally dark. Yes or no? When sun sets, then it becomes totally dark. The whole world becomes dark. For example, now when you are sitting in the bedroom, before you sleep, you on the light. Then, when you are sleeping at night, what you do? You off the light of your room. Yes or no? That time how your room becomes, your house becomes? It becomes dark. Why? Because all the lights are off and nothing can be seen. So the room is dark there. Yes or no? So the opposite of light is what here? Dark, children. Dark. So here D-A-R-K, dark. Cancel this. D-A-R-K, dark. 7. W-E-A-K, week. Week. Which week, children? 7 days week, huh? Which week? 7 days week, children? No. This is not 7 days week. The person is very weak, who don't eat more food. Weak. Yes. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 boxes you have to put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Yes. So here yes. Now we'll write the spelling here. That is S-L-N-T. S-L-N-T. And the next is R-A-E-O. R-A-E-O. And the next is then NAGB. NAGB. Yes or no? Now weak. The opposite of weak is what, children? Weak. Weak. ಶಕ್ತಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೈಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಭಾಳ ವೀಕ್ ಅದಾನಪ್ಪ. ಎಸ್ or no? ಭಾಳ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? That is strong. What we call strong. So the spelling of strong is what? STRONG. Strong. Cancel this STRONG. Strong. So we should write here STRONG. Strong. Then A. Narrow. 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 So now here we have to draw 4 boxes. How many boxes, children? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 boxes. And here the words TWIN. TWIN. DAOE. So narrow, wide. I said narrow means the place which is very small. Even a bicycle or a two-wheeler motorbike cannot move. That is called narrow. ಈಗ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಊರೊಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಂಧಿ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಕಾರ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಬರೀ ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸಂಧಿ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Why? Because the place is very small. So we call it as what? Narrow. On highway, when you are driving the car, the place is very big, the road is very big, the road is very wide. Yes. So WIDE, wide. WIDE, wide. Sorry children, it cannot be seen. Yes. So we'll write the answer here. Wide. Then next. 9. DIFFICUT. Difficult. Difficult. Yes. So now here again we have to draw 4 boxes. How many boxes, children? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the words we have to write, that is QEQEIA, and then SDBY. So now opposite of difficult, when you are writing any revision test, or when you are playing some puzzle game, then when you are not able to solve that game, or when you are solving a math sum, you are not able to solve that sum, then what you feel? ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಫ್ ಅದ ಇದು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಇದು, ಬರತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಮ್ಮಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್, ಯು ಸೇ. Yes or no? When you do it aram se, then you say it's very easy. So difficult, the opposite of difficult is what, children? Easy. The opposite of difficult is easy. 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 Next. 10. LAUGH, laugh. LAUGH, laugh. So here again we have to draw 3 boxes. How many boxes, children? 3. Yes. Yes. So now, laugh. Laugh means what? Nagodu. The opposite of laugh is what? What? Cry. The opposite of laugh is what, children? Cry. So we have to write the words CPRAYZ. CPRAYZ. Now, what is the spelling C-R-Y, cry. So we have to write this spelling here. C-R-Y, cry. Laugh, cry. Yes. So we have completed this, children. This main we have completed. Yes. Dry, wet. Hot, cold. Rich, poor. Fall, through. Sorry, falls, through. Yes, no. Light, dark. Weak, strong. Narrow, wide. Difficult, easy. Laugh, cry. Yes. Now coming to the next part. Find the opposite words of the following. Second main. Find the opposite words of the following. Choose your answer from the box. Choose your answer from the box. First we have to draw the box. 26 options are there. How many options are there, children? 26. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes? Sixteen, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes. Now here. We have to write the options here in this box. So, what they have given the option? The first one is what here? Pull. And then deep. The next is last. And then small. Full. And then left, L-E-F-T, left. We'll set here on the children. Left. Then the next is wise, soft, thick, low, so, tight, night, blunt, less, go. After go, the next is black and short. Read. Rough. Unkind. Unkind. Crooked. Out. Ugly, old, and then few. Yes, the words we have written. Now next, first one is what here? High. Second is foolish. Third is white. So now we have to write opposite words for these words. Yes. So here. Yes. Now first one is what, children, here? High. High means yatra. Yes or no? Low. Low means talagi. So the opposite of high is what here? Low. L-O-W. Low. Foolish. Foolish. When you don't understand what the parents are saying, then you say, parents, your brother, your sister. Then that is called foolishness. So foolish. Foolish is what? Wise. The person who knows everything, who understands very well, he is called a wise man, a wise boy, a wise girl, we say. Yes, yes. Next, white. Now this is what color, children? This is white color. And this is what color? The opposite of white is what here? Black. Yes, the opposite of white is what here? Black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Next. The opposite of white is black. Now next, fourth sentence here. Fourth sentence, that is sweet. Sweet. Fifth one is raw. Sixth sentence, big. Big. Seventh sentence, tall. Tall. Eighth one is what here? Sharp. Sharp. Eighth sentence is what here? Ninth one. Here the ninth one is push. 10th is hard, and the 11th is thin. 12th one is what here? Loose. Loose. 13th one is what here? Day. 13th one is day. So now we have to write the opposite for these words. Now here, the words we have to write, the opposite words we have to write now for the given word. Yes. So first one, fourth, children. The opposite of sweet is what here? So. Sweet andre sihi. Sour andre huli. So here, so. Next, raw. Raw means what? The opposite of raw. Raw is what? Reap. Now when mangoes start coming, then first the mango color is green in color. You buy the mangoes which are green in color and you prepare a pickle or a chutney and you eat. Yes or no? When the mango is fully fruit, then the color of the mango is what? Yellow. So that is called reap. Raw means kai ro. Reap andre hannagiru. Yes. So this is next. Big. Big means what? The thing whatever you buy, that is, you see the size of the thing. When you go to buy the ball, when you have to buy a cricket ball, then you buy the small ball. And when you have to buy, when you want to go for a swimming pool for trip and all, then which ball you buy? You buy the big balls which are filled with the air, rubber balls. Yes or no? Which are filled with the air. Those balls are big in size and the cricket balls are small in size. Yes or no? So we find the difference which is big and which is small. So the opposite of big is what? Small. Here you can see the word small. The opposite of big is what here? Small. Next, tall. Tall andre etra. I gave the example. Amit is a tall boy in our class. Nitin is a short boy in our class. Yes or no? So the person who is very tall, we call him as a tall boy. The person is very short, kulla, then we call him as a short. So the opposite of tall is what here? Short. Next, sharp. When you take a knife to cut the vegetables, then if the knife is very sharp, then your vegetables get cut very fast. If it is not sharp, what you do? When you cut a cake, with which knife you cut? Plastic knives you get. Yes or no? Fiber knives. You can cut the skin with that. You can cut the vegetable with that. No. Only you can cut the soft thing, that is the cake. Yes or no? So when it is very sharp, we can cut the things very fast. When it won't get cut fast, then it has become blunt. Mandagidantanta. Yes or no? Yes. Next, push. The opposite of push is what here? Pull. Now when you come to school, at the entrance of the school you can find a big gates are there. Then you come inside. And we want to enter, when your parents come directly, they enter from the glass door. Then what they do? They just push the door like this. Yes or no? They just pull the door like this when they get inside. And when they want to go outside, what they do? They pull the door, that means they close the door and they go. That is called push, pull. Push andre dododu, pull andre jagodu. Next, hard. The shell of the coconut is hard na children. Tenginkai oditirinilla, melin sippe hengittadu? Gatti, hard. Yes, so you need a stone to break it. Yes, so hard. Then when you play with the pillow, how you feel? The pillow is very soft. Yes. Hard, soft. Then thin. Thin means what? That is called thin. Now here, the stick is very thin and the duster is very thick. Idu dappada, agligada size. Idu enadu sanna. Yes or no? So this is thin and this is thick. See the size of the wood here. This is very thick and this is very thin. So thin ka opposite is what here? Thick. Next, loose and tight. When you buy some dress, when you come to buy the school uniform, example, very good example. You buy the school uniform, you never buy the school uniform correct fitting. You want little loose. Once a loose ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಪಾಪ ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ this. When you go to buy your color dress, you see ekdam correct chak mak, ekdam tip top dress you want, tight fitting, body fitting you buy. Yes or no? So loose means the dress which is very big for you, then it is not a correct size, then we call it as a loose. And then tight means when you wear it, when it sits very correctly, or when it becomes more tight, you are uncomfortable. Usradak barangilla, tight agitadu, kudak barangilla. That is called tight. The opposite of loose is tight. Day. When day is there, we go, we move, we play, we eat, we enjoy the day by moving outside. Why? Because there is the sunlight. Then at night time, we don't do anything. What we do? We sit in our house, we eat food and we go to sleep. Why? Because night time, no people work. So day. The opposite of day is what? It is night. Next. 13th is finished now. 14th one. 14th one is what here? Empty. Then 15th is more. 16th first. 17th come. 18th right. 19th one end. 20 smooth. 21. What is the 21? Beautiful. 22. 22 is straight. Straight. So next, the 23rd word, 23rd. So the 23rd word is what here? That is kind. Kind. 24th, what is the 24th? That is many. Many, yes. Yes. Now here we will write the answers, children. Yes. 14th one. 14th word is water, empty. When you fill your water bottle when you are coming to school, your water bottle or a tiffin box, you put something in that box, then your tiffin box is full. Then when you are going home, your tiffin box is empty. Why? Because you had your lunch. So when we keep something in the box, then the box is full. When the box, in the box nothing is there, then it is called empty. So empty ka is what here? Full. Then more andre jasti. The opposite of more is what? Less. Kadme, less. First, then last. The opposite of first is what? Last. Come. The opposite come, and the opposite is go. Right. When you write all the answers correct, then the teacher will mark it right. If it is wrong, then the teacher will mark it wrong only. What the teacher will mark? The teacher will mark it wrong. One more opposite of right is what? Right, left. This is which hand? Right hand. This is which hand? Left hand. So the opposite of right is what here? Left. In. Now where I am standing? I am standing inside the class. Yes or no? When I go, it is outside. In, out. Next, smooth. When you hold the teddy bear, then the teddy bear is very smooth in your hand. Then when you hold a stick, the stick is very rough. What is this? The stick is very rough. So you should write there smooth, rough. Beautiful. When you see any girl is wearing a beautiful frock, nice frock, then you say beautiful. Then when the dress is not good, what you say? Oh, she is looking so ugly, you say. He is looking so ugly, you say. He or she. So, beautiful, ugly. The next, straight. Straight. See, this stick is very straight, children. Straight in line. Straight. The not correct here. See, this is straight line here. No, this is curve. Hing bandadala, cross agedala. Yes, this is called crooked. Next, kind. Kind andre eno? Good boy, good man, good nature, helping nature. He cares for all. The person who don't care, who speaks anyhow, then we call unkind man. Yes, good, not good nature, not good behavior. So we call it as unkind. Shallow, that is deep, deep. Yes, deep. The next, many, many andre bahಳ ಜನ. The opposite of many is what? Few. What here? Few children. Many is what here? Few. One more last word is remaining. I will write here, children. That is 26th word. That is called eng. Eng. The opposite of eng is what, children? What is the opposite of eng? Old. What is the opposite of eng? Old. Now, you are young children and your grandparents are old. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗದಿರಿ? ಹೆಂಗದಿರಿ? ಜವಾನ್ ಅದಿರಿ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಹರಿಯೋರು ಅದಿರಿ. ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜ ಏನದಲ್ಲ? ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲ? They are old people. Yes. So once we read this, children, and then I'll conclude my class. High, low, foolish, wise, white, black, sweet, sour, raw, reap, big, small, tall, short, sharp, blunt, push, pull, hard, soft, thin, thick, loose, tight, day, night, empty, full, more, less, first, last, come, go, right, left, in, out, smooth, rough, beautiful, ugly, straight, crooked, kind, unkind, shallow, deep, many, few, and here the last is young, old. These are called as what? Opposite words which do not match to each other. They are totally different. They are totally opposite to each other. Children, this video, see this video, write this full part, whatever is written on the board in your notebooks and send me the photocopy of it. But see that you write the notes with a neat and clean handwriting. Thank you, children. Have a great day.